Welcome to your Biological Sciences course. I am Professor Febres, your instructor for this semester. Purpose of this video is to guide you through how this how this course works, and make sure that you know where to find all of your assignments, assessments, when to submit them, and things like that. You should have already seen my introduction video, which lets you know my background information, my qualifications, uh, where I graduated, etc., etc. I've been teaching at Valencia now for 25 years, 25 years, so I think I have some experience. All right, so let's quickly go over the course schedule and detailed information. If you guys click on it, it's going to take you to the old version of the syllabus. The state requires now that we summarize the syllabus and we present that to you prior to you registering in the course. And that is this. Some of you may have already seen the summary version of this syllabus, but the detailed version has all the information you need in order to be successful for this course. So I'm going to go through it rather quickly. I'm going to highlight the important information you guys must know. The textbook for this course is basically an access code with an electronic version of the book or digital book. It's called the Core. It is the 3rd edition. And if you guys went to the online bookstore, you got an access code. To register for that access code, you need to go to My Lab and Mastering right here. The instructions may tell you to go where it says Peer Access Pearson, but it's the same thing. My Lab and Mastering Access Pearson. They just changed it this year. It takes you to the same website. Follow the instructions in there. I'm not going to click on it because then it's a little bit complicated to come back from it, but it is actually a very simple, straightforward process. It guides you through on how to enter the access code if you have it. If you do not have the access code because you had not purchased it yet or you had not received it, all you have to do is follow the instructions on how to get temporary access. I think it's a 2-week trial access they give you so that you have access to the platform, you don't fall behind. That's enough time for you to go ahead and order the permanent access code to register. But you do need that access code for this course. Course description, and then we go on to some of the policies. So the first one is this syllabus need to be you need to review the syllabus. This actually the detailed information in here. So once you finish reviewing it, shoot me an email letting me know that you had gone over all the policies and all the information. I'm not gonna make you do a quiz or anything like that. I know other professors do so, but I trust that you go over the information, and if you, I mean, obviously you're not going to retain every single little thing that is in there, but you know that if you actually have questions, and you can quickly go to the syllabus and find the answer in there. You need to do that by August 27, no later than that. And then withdrawal policy. New thing this year is that we professors can no longer withdraw you from the course. If you are having difficulties, you are responsible for withdrawing yourself from the course. If you want more information on that, there is the link in there. Although I will tell you, if you follow instructions and you do your work on a weekly basis, which is easy and it's not time consuming, it's no reason for you to withdraw from this course. It's an easy course, and it's you can get a good grade marking very easily. All right, let's scroll down and look at grade and makeup policy. So it tells you, I mean, I'm just gonna go down here because it summarizes, I mean, split it here, but uh, how do you get your grade? Well, there are 4 exams, and I'll explain how those work in a few minutes. There are 13 class work activities. These are the ones that you need access to the Pearson's platform in order to get on the ebook. And they are wonderful activities, will help you comprehend what you are supposed to learn for this course. And then it also gives you access to the ebook. There are 7 quizzes just to make sure that we are learning, we're progressing and learning. And to me, the most fun part for this course are the discussion forums. These are really interesting. We actually will discuss what we're learning. I jump into those discussions from time to time to express my opinions. I want to know what you are think about what we're learning. I'll give you a little bit of feedback. They're actually a lot of fun. Like I said, this is my favorite part of the course. Just me. I sometimes get to learn from students, so that's the fun part. I mean, it's not only me teaching, but I also get to learn from you guys, and I'm looking forward to that. This is actually the breakdown on how each one of those assignments contribute to the final grade for the course. You do have a final exam the last week. So little bit tricky because now Valencia doesn't want to see the last week as a final exam week. But since this is an online course, we don't have any problems with that because you the thing is they're not gonna schedule anymore, and you may hear this from courses that you are taking face to face. There is not like a 2 hour schedule for you to take an exam. They're not doing that anymore. But like I say, for us, online course is not a problem because it is an online course. You don't have to go to Valencia, and so the exam, uh, it is what it is, and it takes the time that it takes. So I'm not concerned about that. So let's scroll down to the actual schedule, and schedule, it tells you the dates, the week for the weeks for this course. They start on Sundays. Sundays, you will be getting emails from me, just letting you know a summary of what you guys are going to be doing for the week. That's the day that I also grade the discussion forums. I mean, a little bit of the assessments if I have to. If I had to answer questions uh, that require research and things like that, Sundays you will be getting those emails. You can email me at any time. The email is actually connected to my iPhone, so I can see your email immediately and I will reply to you with the answer to your question, or I will reply to you letting you know that I need to do a little bit of research to get the answer to your question, and I will give you a timeline on when I will be returning that email. But you will usually students get a response to emails no more than 24 hours. I mean, within an hour usually, but sometimes if I'm really busy grading stuff, I mean, it may take a little bit longer just to let you know. But like I say, the week starts on a Sunday. All work is due on Saturdays by 11:59 p.m. And so you can see in here, it tells you the work that you have to do. It gives you activities, discussion forums, and exams. And in this column, it tells you the chapter on the electronic version of the book you need to read with specific sections. It's really detailed, and so it's really easy to follow. And so the quizzes that you take, I mean, you know which section that information is in order to answer the questions. Let's go to the modules. And by the way, this welcome page or home page, you will actually see it for the first week. After next week, I will actually take it down. And when you come into the course, you will go straight into modules because that's where your work is. and it'll save you that extra step. But if you guys look here in the modules, the first one is the orientation. I mean, information about the course. I mean, it has the what I just went over, the detailed syllabus. I mean, it has information about me. So first week, August 19th to the 24th. So it starts Monday in this instance and it ends on Saturday. I need you to this is a required activity, so that's a discussion forum. This is an introduction discussion forum. There are some questions for you to answer in there for me to get to know you and for your classmates to get to know you. I think courses and classes, they run better if we get to know a little bit of each other. And then this is the email that I requested by August 27th. And then once you register the ebook, this is your first assignment. It just goes over, it's a silly questions going over how the questions are actually structured within these activities. But going down real quick to finish this off, this is what a module for a week will look like. You get the PowerPoint presentations, you get the link for the classwork activity, and also it gives you access to the book. And then you get the, for example, this week you have a quiz. This is your first quiz. Quizzes are really easy to do. You can click on them. You can leave them open for the duration of the week. I mean, you can actually answer those questions straight from the book. Just leave it open while you answer. I mean, you can leave it open for 1 day, 2 days, as long as you submit it by the due date. This first quiz, as you can see, is due on August 31st, 11:59 p.m. Now, and then there is actually the discussion for this week. Make sure that you make your submissions by the due date. And so the instructions of how many and what kind of submissions are within the actual instructions. Exams are a little bit different. Exams, you can complete them any day during that 1 week period, the available period. But beware when you click on that exam, it will there's a clock that will start counting down. You had 90 minutes. And my suggestion to you is do not try to answer questions like you will do with the quizzes. You can actually leave them open. This will close and auto submit in 90 minutes. So my suggestion is study the material. Just go to the syllabus, see which sections you have to study, have them handy. And it's like if you were taking face-to-face exam, like on a classroom setting, face-to-face. The only difference is that if you forget one or two things, you can really quick look at those in order to answer those questions. But you only have 90 minutes. So I mean, and I will remind you on the emails that I tell you that you only have 90 minutes in case you forget. That's it actually for this course. Like I said, I mean, it's just 3 different kinds of activities. The classwork activities, you have a quiz or an exam, and you have discussion forums. And so notice that usually when you have the exam that week, you won't have a discussion forum for most of them. I think there may be one that you do have an exam and a discussion forum. Let me see. I don't think so. I think I fixed that. Yeah, I think I fixed it. So no, you don't have any discussion forums any of the weeks that you have exams. So once again, welcome to the course. Email me with any questions that you may have. I will be emailing you with more information and communicate. Thank you, and email me if you have questions. Bye.